What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm here with Bestlacewigs once more. Same packaging as before. Has their name branded on the box. I got a wig cap, an edge brush and comb, a flyaway tamer, and the wig, of course. I also got a pamphlet, an information card, you know, socials, hair care, all that stuff is listed inside, and that's everything that came in the box. I'm excited for today's wig because it is firstly a curly lace front, secondly it is a skin melt HD lace front, okay, and thirdly it's a 13x6 parting, nicely parting. It is 20 inches long and it's 180% in density, right? So it's really nice and full. What I will say, what I notice about the curls is that I notice, you know, like, I'm not sure if they put like a product in there before shipping it, but it does feel a little bit like, you know, like if a product was added to it. So I will tell you that that's one thing I notice. The hairline looks amazing. You know, like recently I've been showing you guys a lot of amazing hairlines. This is one of them, okay? This is definitely one of them. Came with a nice center part. It looks so realistic. Definitely pre-plucked. You definitely do not need to go in and pluck this any further. It is perfect just as it comes. And the inside, as I showed you, it's a 13x6, and it has a total of 4 combs on the inside and adjustable straps. In the back, it is amazing, okay? The knots are already bleached. It is perfect. So this will pretty much melt on any skin tone, because yeah, so I really love that. It is full from the roots to the tip and it looks good. That's the vibe. So let's go ahead and jump into installing this. Today I'm going to be using my 𝐃𝐞𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐥𝐬 spray, just because I'm going to be doing this for a short-term install, but this would be perfect for vacation. This would be perfect for the weekend outing. If you're gonna, you know, just if you want to do a prolonged install, go ahead and get your glue and do that, okay? I love the way the lace looks. It's amazing. See how nice that looks before I even apply any adhesive. I'm just showing you. Ooh, that looks so good. Skin melt HD laces is the vibe. That's definitely the vibe. So I'm just gonna go ahead, cut away the excess around the ears. So that's how it looks. So as you guys know the drill, I'm just gonna go in and apply my adhesive section by section at a time.
'Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. 'Cause you know we gon' fly. 'Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. 'Cause you know we gon' fly. 'Cause we be on a top floor.
Okay, so I'm just gonna take out just a little bit. I'm not doing anything too pronounced with the edges, and then that's gonna pretty much be it for the install. It's like, I don't know if it's because the lace is customized so nicely, but it makes installation process just way easier and quicker. Well, naturally, yeah, because number one, the hairs in the front will lay, because it's thinner or the density is less, it will lay easier, as opposed to a hairline where it's thick, a hairline that's thick, then yeah, that will take more time and effort. While with this, it comes customized and nicely pre-plucked, so it's just so easy to work with. You guys see the process. That's how we're looking after installation. Now I'm just gonna, you know, apply my wax stick. I'm gonna keep it in the center part. I am gonna keep it in the center part. And my hot comb to just lay everything super nice. See how good that looks? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the wet look today. I'm gonna go ahead and apply. I must say the texture of this is not like the silkiest. It's definitely on the coarser side of, you know, curly textures. I am getting shedding, so you guys can make notes of that, okay? I am getting shedding, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use my diffuser bottle with conditioner and water and just run through it my paddle brush. It, guys, that is it for today's wig installation. Looks really, as I said before, I'm going to put all the specifications of this in my description box, so go ahead and check it out. Shout out to Bestlacewigs. I just wish, you know, the shedding was a little bit less, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But the hair looks really good. Give you guys a close-up. Looks really good. The curls turn out really luscious, you know, so that's not bad at all, and it doesn't need to be any fuller than this. The density, everything, it's perfect. So yeah, I'm going to put the direct link by the way, if you're interested in getting this wig. So yeah, go ahead and check out my description box for that. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.